course, guys, what type of sports do you guys practice?
Well, we would really like to have a soccer field on our backyard.
Actually, we're gonna have a putting green, and we talked about this before. We're doing a golf course.
I don't care. Look, I don't care.
When the family comes, they're
You
playing
don't need
golf.
a
They're
golf
not playing
course.
soccer. You're
You don't
only
need a
thinking about
golf
yourself.
course.
That's not
I
right.
need
That's
to do
not
my
right.
practices. Where I'm gonna do my practices?
Okay, guys, so you want a soccer field.
Yeah.
You want a putting green.
Yeah.
We can fix that. If a soccer field is what you're looking for, canine grass is ideal for that purpose. It's gonna give you the best performance. If you're looking for a putting green, perfect putt grass is going to give you the best roll, okay? To make the soccer field better, we can use simply white turf to make the sidelines of that soccer field so it looks better and cleaner. You wanna do a soccer field, you wanted to do a putting green.
Yeah.
Why not both?
That would be awesome.
I love the idea.